What is up guys, it's JB here. So for this video is ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung oath taking ko as a real estate salesperson. As my prep, I do skincare, I put toner, vitamin C, moisturizer, and then sunblock. I also put some on my lips, tsaka ako nag-BS. After ko mag-BS, I took selfie and then we head out. Yung venue pala ng ating oath taking ay sa Makati, which is the AIM Conference Center. Oath date ko is October 28, 2025 and it was hosted by NREA, which is the National Real Estate Association. Before the oath proper, nag-stretching muna tayo, yan, pampagising. And then may mga speakers na nagsalita. And ito naman yung part na we took our oath. After the oath, ito naman yung pinning ceremony. Pinning ceremony is by partner, so thank you kay ma'am na nag-pin sa akin. Yun, nakapin na. So after ng pinning, pinakyat by group sa stage for the photo op. After ng oath, umuwi na tayo, yan. Lakad-lakad muna tayo ng onte. And then we have our small celebration with my bossy. And then, tsaka ako umuwi. Richard!